Hey guys, how are you today? Welcome to my channel, Curiosity Dev. Here it goes, a brand new SwiftUI animation tutorial, beginner friendly 2024. It's the continue of my series of tutorial for SwiftUI animation. So if you miss the last one, you can check my Swift and SwiftUI playlist on YouTube. I'm on my YouTube channel, so I hope that. Yep. And here it goes. We will stick to this SwiftUI animation for a few next tutorial, and then we're gonna hit the road for the real apps and hit the road for the Swift part and the logic part. And we are just focused on the UI for a few weeks now because I think I should teach you something in the UI, and then we're gonna hit the road for the functional app. So before all that, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. It would help me a lot for you to doing so for me. If you have any opinion, if you have any question, if you have any comments, just write it down in the comment section. I will respond to it rapidly. So don't forget that, and don't worry about the code and the asset that I will use in this video. I will put a link in the description, a link to my GitHub repository for this project and for this tutorial. So just focus on the coding and on my speech here, and don't worry about the code. Practice make perfect. So practice until you make it. And every day you're gonna have discipline and practice the code. I will do that side by side of you, and that's all. So hit the road, and we're gonna hit the coding. So let me just show you the app. It is I name it the liquid swipe here. This is so interesting, the animation. So this is like a book. If I move the mouse here and title it, you can see it is something liquid, like a liquid swipe. So this is a book, and you can see here it goes. It's nice styling here. So I integrated in an app for book, but you can integrate it whenever you want. So this is for the animation here. Just head there, and if you're interested, go on and watch the whole video. If you are not, you can skip the video to the next one in my playlist. So don't forget to subscribe me here. Let me just open a new project here in the Xcode, and let me just do that. Select iOS app, and here you are, liquid swipe app. So make sure that interface is set to SwiftUI and language is set to Swift, and don't check this include test because we don't want to test anything right now. So here it goes. Right there. So first of all, I will copy some assets here. Let me just do that. Don't worry about the asset, as I mentioned that. I will put a link in the description for the GitHub repository. You can check that also. So we have 4 assets: Spartan, text background, D, and the Spartan text here. So let me just first of all, we're gonna build this page, chapter 1, has some places. So let me just, in our project, I type command N, and here it goes. I select SwiftUI view, and I say page UI view. So here it goes. And here we have a VS stack. Yep. A VS stack with spacing of 10 here, and we have chapter title, progress bar, 2 progress bar, and 1 line item. So here we have to say mark UI components. So first thing first, our chapter title. So we have private var chapter title here, and some view. Here it goes. We have lecture stack here, and we have text chapter number 1, and here font will be dot system, and size, we'll just see size would be 40. Here it goes, and the font weight would be dot light, and here we have the spacer. So let me just add it to this one, chapter title here. We can see it, I think. Yep, chapter 1. Now let me just add some padding here, that horizontal. Yep, here it goes. So after that we have a progress bar, private font progress bar here, and it takes a width of CG float type. And let me just, it returns some view for us. And we have rounded rectangle here with corner radius of 3, corner radius of 3, and we have a frame for width and height of 30, and the opacity of 0.2 here. Like that, and here it goes. We have a progress bar here, progress bar with 300, and another progress bar with 400. Yep, we can see it right there. Let me just add some padding here, the padding, not horizontal. Yep, not bad. Well, we can delete it. So we have another struct here, mark, so line item, struct, and set line item, about view, and here we have a rectangle, and for all that we have let index type of integer. Yep, and we have a frame for it. Width would be 400 and height would be 30, and opacity would be 0.2, and the foreground side would be the primary. Yep, and here we have for each, I think, or for loop. Yep, for each 0 to 15, and here we have index, and here we have line item, index of index, and I think we are good to go. Yep, we have the, right now we have the chapter page UI for our page. It is a content view. So before we hit the content view, don't forget to like and subscribe me on YouTube. So let me go to the content here. So we have content view. So we have here, we have VS stack, stack here, and let me just see mark content view here. So again, we have mark for stripe view, struct, stripe view, and yep, here we have this VS stack. Let me just add it to our content view here. So stripe view like that, and we have two variables here, offset and shadow main view. So add state private variable of offset equal of CG size, yep, equal to .0, and add state private variable of show main view, and is equal to false. Yep. Like that. And here it goes. So we have our background gradient here. So here we have to make mark UI components private or of background gradient some view. Yep. And we have radial gradient here. So we have gradient. For our gradient, we have gradient of colors, and colors would be an array of colors. We have dot orange, and here dot red, and center would be dot center, and start radius would be 2, and end radius would be 65, 650. So let me just add it to our real background gradient here. Yep. So we have dot ignore safe area here. And we have a padding of dot trailing. Yep, that's right. So we have another private variable here. Private variable for swipe content. And type of some view here, and we have a VS stack, and a VS stack alignment would be dot leading, and we have a spacing here for 5, and let me just get rid of this content, spacing 5, and we have something to do here, swipe images. Yep. So out of our scope right now, here we have mark, and here we have struct. Let me just swipe images and swipe text. So we have struct for stripe image, and this is a view type, and here let me just add an image here. So here we have some variables. So we have let name, type of a string, let width, CG float, let height, again CG float, let x offset, again CG float, and let y offset, again CG float. So here it goes, and here we have image for our name, dot resizable, dot scale to fit, dot frame with would be width, and height would be height. So, and the opacity would be 0.9 here, and offset x would be x offset, and y would be y offset. Yep, here it goes. Now let me just create another struct here, struct swipe text here, we can type up view here, and here we have some text. Here we have two variables, let for text, and this type of a string, and let for x offset cg float. Yep. Here we have text of text, dot font would be dot title, and the font weight would be dot light, and the foreground style would be dot light again, and the offset x would be x offset. Here it goes. So let me just add them to our here swipe content. So let me just add swipe content here, dot overlay swipe content here. Yep, to our background gradient. So swipe content. So here we have this text. So we have I think 3 images and 1 text. So swipe image first. The name would be the width would be 200. The height would be 80, and x offset 80, and y offset 10. So let us see. Yep, there, and then swipe image. Again, we have name for it, ti, and width would be 350, and height would be 100. X offset would be 70, y offset would be 10. So let us see. Yep. And we have another swipe text here, and here we have by Puya Satri here. X offset would be 250. Yep, I don't know why this is going on. Yep. So after that we have an image again. Name would be a Spartan. Width would be 480. Height would be 350. X offset would be 20, and Y offset would be 108. Yep, that's good here. That's good. Let us see. So here we have that foreground style that red. Yep. Okay. Goes dot red. Yep. And that shadow. Again, color dot red, and the radius would be 1. Dot padding. Dot horizontal and 30. And the offset x would be minus 50. Yeah, kind of that. So let me just see what is happening with this one, because here we don't have it. Okay, let's go to the next one. And the next one is swipe button. So let us create our swipe button here. So we have another private variable swipe button here. So some view here, and we have a text of 01, and the font would be that large title. Let me just add it to this. So after our ignore safe area, we have again overlay, and in our overlay we have swipe button, and alignment would be the top trailing. So here we have font weight at medium. Yep, here it goes. And here we have a frame for it with 50, height 50, and the content shape would be rectangle, yep, and a gesture. So here it goes, our gesture here. Let me just add the gesture after that. So offset x15, and for y we have 58, and we have opacity if the offset equals .0, then 1 house 0 here. So after that we have handle swipe change, the two function handle swipe change and handle swipe end. So let me just create them here. Private font here, handle swipe change, and it takes a value, and it is a drag gesture dot value. So with animation, and the animation will be the interactive with animation dot interactive string, yep, and response would be 0.7, and bumping fraction, bumping fraction, it is equal to 0.6. Then we have a blend duration for 0.6, and here we have offset equal to value dot translation. So here our handle swipe, and after that we have another private font here, handle swipe end, and this takes another value of type drag gesture dot value, and here we have let screen equal to UI screen dot main dot bounds, and here we have with animation dot string the string if minus offset dot width greater than screen dot width divided by 2. Then we have to say offset dot width equal to minus screen height and show main view dot type. Show main view dot type. Yep. And here we have else offset equal to dot 0, and here it goes. So here we have our gesture, and we can add it right there. So content shape, after the content shape we have dot gesture here, and for our gesture we have drag gesture dot unchange. Unchange, for unchange we have handle swipe change, and dot on ended. Let me just see what's going on here. Value. Yep, that's on ended. You have another action, handle in. So here it goes. And here we have it. So like that. And after that we have allocate swipe. So this is the magic part. Here it goes, mark liquid swipe shape. So don't forget to subscribe me, like this video, and share it with your friends if you like it. And yep, all same. So we have struct liquid swipe. Yep, there's no E here. The shape type. And here we have var offset, CG size. So let me just see. Yep, I think this is the last part. Just let me just add this button here. Let me just comment this out. And yeah, background gradient here, overlay sub button. And here we have if show main view, then we have page UI view dot contact gesture with animation dot string here, and offset equal to dot 0 and show main view dot type. So here it goes. I think we are ready to go, and yep, we have to create our shape and then we are good to go. So we have a struct liquid swipe here. We have variable of offset. We have another variable here. Animatable data. So this is CG size. Animatable data. So we have to set a getter and a setter. So get offset dot animatable data, and we have set offset dot another animatable data equal to new value. Yep, these are our getter and setter. So we have a function here, path, and yep. This is it. So path and let width equal to rect dot width plus minus offset dot width greater than 0, then would be offset dot width, else would be dot 0. And here it goes, we have path path.move. Let me just see what is going on. Yeah, here we have to say path. I think this is it. Yep. Path.move to CG point X and Y 0. And here path add line to CG point, and here X and Y. So here we have rect dot vet, and here we have 0, and the path add line again. So to CG point X and Y. So we have rect dot width and rect dot height here. So we have curve shape. So let's from equal to 80 plus offset dot width and path.move to CG point X and Y. For X we have rect dot width and for Y we have from. If from greater than 80, then equal to 80, else would be from. And we have var to 180 plus offset dot height minus plus minus offset dot width. So here it goes. So 2 equal to 2 is within 180, else would be 2. And you'll let midpoint CG float equal to 80 plus, so 2 minus 80 divided by 2. Here it goes. And path.add curve. So here we have two CG point, here X and Y, rect dot width, and for Y we have 2, and for control 1 we have CG point, we have X width minus 15. For Y we have midpoint, and for control 2 again we have CG point, X would be width minus 15, and for Y we have midpoint. Again, yep, that will do it. So let me just add it to our background gradient here. So background gradient, yep. And we have clip ship here, liquid side, and offset would be offset. Here it goes. I think we missed something. So don't worry about that, I will check it again. And here, after that, let me just see what's happened here. So I think for these numbers I missed something. So here we have path CG size, offset, Let's just refactor it and rename it. Here, I think, yep. Offset, and rename it. And here it goes. This is good. And yep. Let me just add some space here. So func path in rect path in. Let's just minus offset. Symbol rect.width, width height. And here we have to add another path outline to CG point X 0 and rect. That's right. Yep. I think that's really good. Yep. This is the one. So we have it right there. And let me just build it. So Command and R, it will build for us. So in the meantime, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for me. And if you have any comments, just write it down in the comment section. So we have this beautiful animation with drag gesture here. So here it goes. And if I move it like this, and it's completely functional. If you can see, if you do that, toggles. So thanks for watching, and if you're interested in building apps for iOS with Swift and SwiftUI, I have a playlist. Check that also in my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the share button and share it with your friends. Until the next video, take care, guys. Bye bye.